welcome back to another iHunter Tech episode, and today I will be doing a review of the Apple Watch Series 4. So, a couple days ago, I got the Apple Watch Series 4, and if you did not see that unboxing, go check it out now. The Apple Watch looks amazing now. I love the redesign. I love the new stainless steel space black color that I got this time. I love all of the new watch faces, and even though the small size is only a 2mm difference, the old one was 38mm and the new one is 40mm, it makes a huge difference. I can't tell people, I know it's only 2mm, but it does make a very big difference. I noticed right away when I was typing in the passcode how bigger the passcode typing keyboard was. I also love how much faster it is. It is way faster than the previous version, like really fast. I love how awesome the speaker is. They redesigned the speaker, and I have not called anyone on it yet, so I'm hoping to test that out soon. I can't wait to try out and see what a phone call is like, and I've not set it up yet, but in the future I will be setting up the cellular service on it, which I have not had a cellular enabled Apple Watch yet in my whole life. I also did test out the fall detection. I will have a whole separate video just dedicated to the fall detection coming very soon. And if you are debating on whether you should buy it or not, yes, I would highly recommend you buy it. I know you will not regret it. And I love the new Apple Watch so much. It has made so much of a difference. And I even like the new Apple Watch more than I like the new phone. So, I mean, there's not much else to talk about. I mentioned a lot of it in my unboxing video, so if you have not seen that, go check it out right now. Link at the end of this video. So that's all I have to say in this video. If you want to know how I would rate it a 9.9 repeating out of 10. It really cannot get that much better. It works with all of my old Apple Watch bands, and there's this one band that I will be making another separate video on that I'm going to get very soon, and then my ideal Apple Watch that I've always wanted will be completed. So that's all I have to say in this video, so I will see you in the next one. Bye. And be sure to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, check out this video right here, or check out my website, www.ihunterproductions.weebly.com. Thanks for watching. Seriously though, if you're still here,